if you're selling here on Creative Market, or thinking about selling on here, or have even recently opened a shop, then please stick around and watch all of this video, because I want to make you aware of a scam which is recently going around and how to avoid it. Now, over the past week or so, I've got 2 of these messages, and they're very similar. Now, I've been on Creative Market for probably round about a year. I haven't put too much effort in, but I do want to change that. But nonetheless, this is the first time that I've actually received these type of messages. Now, as we can see, it did come from 2 different people as well. So let's go ahead and take a look at this so you can actually see what it says and to know how this is a scam. So first off, when someone messages you here on Creative Market, you also get an email. So I got an email with the headline saying your product has been purchased. So I thought, brilliant, let's go in and have a look. But it turned out just to be a message, and the message was this: hello, if you're reading this, we're glad to inform you that your listed product has been successfully ordered by a customer. Additionally, we'd like to inform you that we changed to manually notifying chat users that the listed product has been successfully ordered. Now, right off the bat, that should be a red flag as well, because any reputable marketplace is not going to send you a direct message like this telling you that your product has been ordered. You're more than likely going to get an email saying that you have sold something, and it's going to show in your dashboard here on Creative Market as well, where this didn't, because this is just a scam message from a scammer. Then it says, after conducting a questionnaire on our online communities, we concluded that this method would improve communication with our support team and simplify service interactions. Now, that whole part right there, to me personally, is a red flag. Now, if we look here, it says if you don't confirm the payment from the user, the order will be terminated. Another red flag. Your order is never going to get terminated, no matter what you sell it on or what platform that you sell on. And then it says the money will be given back to the customer, which will negatively impact your seller profile. Again, these are just a bunch of red flags. But then it says your personal link to receive money. Now, if we look here, it does have Creative Market in the domain name, but it's creativemarket.order. Now, if this was genuine, which it wouldn't be, but if this was, then this would be the same domain as what Creative Market actually is. So it would be creativemarket.com. This is creativemarket.order, then a bunch of numbers, .pro. So just with that URL alone, that's a red flag as well. Now, if we come over to my second message, which I had, this says practically the same. The buyer has completed the payment for your order. To ensure you receive your payment, please follow these steps carefully. And again, it's another URL which sounds like it could be Creative Market, but if we look, it says creativeorder.sbs. Now, if you ever get any messages like these with dodgy URLs, please do not click on those URLs. Now, if we come back to here for a second and open this in a new tab, we can see this user has been taken down. So it's good to see that Creative Market is on top of this. And if we come to this one as well and take a look, it's the same here as well. Now, one thing you can do, if you have ChatGPT, you can do this just here. So all I've put is a little bit of information, and then I've given them the message or one of the messages which I received. So I put, I sell on Creative Market and just received a message that I believe to be a scam. Could you give me your thoughts on this? And then this is the message which I received. So right off the bat, ChatGPT says, this message appears highly suspicious and is very likely a scam. Here's why. So red flags in the message. The URL, like I said, very, very suspicious because it's not actually Creative Market. And it says this URL does not appear to be associated with Creative Market. Legitimate links from Creative Market would come from their official domain, like I said, creativemarket.com. And then it says urgency and threat of consequences. So phrases like failure to follow these steps may result in delays. So that again, red flags. Unsolicited payment notification. That's a red flag. Unusual explanation about notifications. Another red flag. Now right here it says, what should you do? So any messages, no matter what platform you're on, but if you get any similar messages, do not click the link. Verify directly with the marketplace that you're selling on and mark the message as spam. So again, I just wanted to make you aware of this so you don't fall victim to these type of scams. Because if you're new online, you might tend to believe that this is real. But again, if you have ChatGPT and you have concerns about a message that you received, then just ask ChatGPT about it and it will give you your thoughts. So, nonetheless, that's everything which I quickly wanted to cover in this video. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.